In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template on Monday.com. If you've been using Monday.com for project management or team collaboration, you know how much it can streamline your workflow. Sometimes you find that perfect board setup that you wish you could replicate for other projects or teams. That's where creating a template comes in handy. Let's dive into the steps to create your own template on Monday.com. First things first, you'll want to start at the homepage of Monday.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. The homepage is your dashboard, showing all your current boards and activities. It's from here where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to select the board you wish to turn into a template. This could be any board that you've carefully set up for a specific project, workflow, or task list that you believe will be beneficial to replicate for future initiatives. Take a moment to ensure this board encompasses everything you want in your new template, from columns to integrations and automations. After selecting your board, look towards the top right corner of your board's interface. There you'll find three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various actions you can take on this board. Within this drop-down menu, move your cursor to hover over More Actions. It doesn't require a click. Simply hovering will prompt another submenu to appear. This design keeps the interface clean and ensures you only see options when you need them. It's all about keeping your workflow efficient. Now, within this secondary menu, look for the option labeled Save as a Template. This powerful feature allows you to take the current board with all its setup and customization and save it as a reusable template. Click on Save as a Template to initiate the template creation process. Upon clicking Save as a Template, Monday.com will present you with a dialog box. This is the moment where you'll confirm your decision to save your current board as a new template. You'll click on Save as Template again within this dialog box. This step is designed as a safeguard, ensuring you don't accidentally create a template, and it gives you a moment to pause and ensure this is exactly what you want. At this point, you've successfully created a new template from your board. What you've essentially done is preserve the structure, settings, and any predetermined content of your board, making it effortlessly replicable for future projects or teams. This will save you considerable time and effort, especially if you often find yourself creating similar boards for different purposes. A couple of tips to maximize the potential of your newly created template. Consider refining your board before saving it as a template. This means streamlining columns, ensuring all relevant automations are in place, and removing any project-specific information that might not be relevant to future projects. This cleanup phase can make your template more versatile and broadly applicable. Moreover, take advantage of Monday.com S template gallery. After creating your template, you can choose to keep it private, share it with your team, or even share it with the wider Monday.com community. Contributing your templates can not only help others, but also position you as a thought leader within the Monday.com community. In closing, the ability to create templates on Monday.com is an invaluable feature for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and ensure consistency across projects and teams. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to leveraging this powerful feature to its fullest potential. Whether you're looking to manage projects more efficiently, maintain consistency in your team's workflow, or simply save time setting up new boards, creating your own templates on Monday.com is a surefire way to achieve your goals. Experiment with different board configurations, tweak your templates as you go, and always look for ways to optimize your workflow. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. Happy templating.